The cutting edge of medical science today is changed from what they've been doing for the last 50 years. For the last 50 years, what they've been doing is saying, okay, here's a disease, let's kill it. Let's kill something. Now, what they're looking at is, well, no, that's really not the answer. The answer is immunotherapy. Ultimate goal is to make somebody stronger internally, and so that disease doesn't happen, or that the disease becomes so small because it's getting attacked by the immune system. What we found for that is one of the great products that's been invented decades ago. When it was invented, it wasn't the right time for it. Now, people are looking at immunotherapy as the big thing. This is probably the biggest weapon in its arsenal.
Right here, we're working on the ECP project called Renew. And the ECP project stands for External Counter Pulsation. The idea is the ECP squeezes blood from the legs back into the core body and assists the heart when the heart's resting. While the heart is resting, this is pumping. While the heart is pumping, this is resting. They go back and forth, so it acts almost like an auxiliary heart. The effects happen through the entire body. The evidence is overwhelming that it makes people healthier.
What it does is it enhances circulation. Nature has already made this pump called the heart, and it's pumping to keep everything going. Getting oxygen and nutrients, hauling in the waste. Then what happens over time is the pump gets old. Think about it. If you leave waste, if you leave trash all over the body, if you leave trash in your head, and then you get a disease in your head, and you're thinking, well, how did I get disease? Well, you left trash in your head. So what this does is enhances circulation. And again, back to what we do here at Stage 2. It's just nature with a twist. We go for simple, which is, if you're healthier, if you're better, if you're stronger, then there's less disease. Interesting part is that once you try it a couple of times, you're like, okay, I need that. You just feel better. You are better and you feel better. I mean, I've been on it for a couple, 3 years now. And my son says, in 30 years, I'll be 50 and you'll be 40. The effects have been remarkable. We're gonna impact health in a way that no medicine can do it.